好咁樣，呢條片咧會同大家講2024年嘅第8條嘅。咁一條題目咧，so far 我印象中咧就冇出過類似嘅題目嘅。咁就係講緊 enthalpy change of neutralization 啦。但係咧通常就會係一啲計數啊嘅題目啦，咁即係計 experiment 嘅題目啦。咁但係呢一條咧就係即係你要 compare 到 strong 同埋 weak acid and base 嗰個嘅分別，acid and alkalis 嗰個嘅分別嘅咁樣。OK，咁啊 part。佢有 carry 咗5個 experiment 啦，咁就有一紮嘅 acid，一紮嘅 alkaline，mix 埋一齊啦，咁樣咁跟住之後咧就大家即係佢都 fair comparison 嚟嘅，大家都係50 cm cube 1m 嘅 acid 同埋50 cm cube 1m 嘅 alkaline 咁樣就 mix 埋一齊啦。咁然後咧佢就講 experiment 1嘅時候咧，即係呢一個用第二隻係啦 experiment 1咁就 strong acid 同 strong alkaline。HCl 同 NaOH mix 埋一齊嘅時候咧，佢個 temperature 咧就raise by 6.8度咁樣嘅，咁就講緊就叫你計個 enthalpy change of neutralization between HCl 同 NaOH 咁樣啦，in kilojoule per mole 嘅。咁我哋睇翻咧，我哋做呢啲題目咧，其實我哋記住有3部曲啦，咁樣第一樣咧，我哋計 MC delta T， 第二步我哋計 number of moles， 第3步就係個 delta H 啦。咁你留意翻咧。neutralization 啦，咁佢係 exothermic 嘅，咁個 temperature rise 噶嘛，咁所以會係負嘅。咁我哋就將個第一步嗰個除翻第二步嗰個咁樣啦。咁所以咧，我哋第一步我哋做咗計 MC delta T 啦，咁啊第一步啦，energy release 啦 ，MC delta T， 咁就 M 咧，咁而家 total 咧就50 cm cube 加50 cm cube 啦，50加50。咁最好咧就乘1啦，因為咧佢係1 gram per cm cube 噶嘛，即係一個 cm cube唔一定係1 gram 噶嘛，咁樣 OK。咁有 m 啦，跟住乘俾咗你4.2係個 c 啦 ，delta t 俾咗你係6.8度啦，咁樣咁所以咧呢度就會等於256啦，256個 joule， 咁啊可以你轉做 kilojoule 啦，2.856個 kilojoule 咁樣啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住第二步，我哋嘅 number of moles。咁 number of moles 係 number of moles of 啲乜嘢咧？我哋咧 neutralization 咧係 number of moles of water form 嘅咁樣。咁嗱50 cm cube 嘅1m 嘅 acid， 50 cm cube 1m 嘅 alkaline 咁樣，咁 form 出嚟個 number of mole of water 咧，咁就應該我哋試下寫一寫啦 ，HCl。係啦，同埋你睇翻條 equation 咧係1:1嘅，咁所以我哋 either 用 acid 或者用 alkaline， 因為佢哋係 completely neutralized 噶嘛。你睇翻個 mole ratio 嘅話，咁所以咧佢哋就應該就係1乘50除1000啦，就係個 number of mole of water 啦，咁樣咁就等於0.05 mole。係啦，咁跟住第3步啦，我哋計 enthalpy change 啊，我哋寫 delta H 啦。enthalpy change of neutralization，delta H 咧就等於負2.856除0.05，咁就等於負57.12個 kilojoule per mole。咁啊留意翻咧。你計出嚟咧，其實如果兩個都 strong 咧，你大約你記得差唔多負50幾咁樣嘅，咁就應該冇計錯數噶啦。OK， 係啦，咁樣。OK， 好，咁跟住 part B 啦，咁就講緊點解即係我揾晒佢哋啲 temperature change 啦，咁樣，咁我用同一個方法去計啦。點解 experiment 1 to experiment 4咧，佢哋計出嚟個數咧係差唔多嘅咧？係啦，咁我頭先講過，你記住大約係負50幾咁樣嘛，負57咁上下咁樣啦。咁就咁點解計出嚟會係差唔多咧？咁樣咁就係因為佢哋有咩共通點咧？啲 acid 同 alkaline 係啦，就係咧，大家都係 strong 嘅，係啦。咁所以你就可以寫翻話 both acid and alkaline use are strong 咁樣咯。係啦，睇下先。唔係 both 喎，因為 experiment 1 to 4喎，咁所以咧 all the acid and alkaline used in experiment 1 to 4 are strong。 strong。係啦，咁樣咁啊，大家都係 completely ionize 啊，completely neutralize 唔係 completely ionize 啊，completely dissociate in water 咁樣嘅。嗱，如果我睇答案咧，佢就係要寫 completely dissociate 咁樣嘅。咁但係我自己就覺得咧，即係因為佢其實例如 acid 佢唔係即係我哋唔會話佢係 dissociate，我哋話佢係 ionize 噶嘛，咁樣咁所以咧，我自己咧就覺得寫翻strong 會好啲咯，或者你想再 detail 啲，咪講翻啲 acid 啊 completely ionized while the alkalines are completely dissociate in water 咁樣咯。係啦，咁跟住之後咧，咁你見到咧，佢唔問 experiment 5啦，咁即係 part C 會問到 experiment 5啦。咁點解 experiment 5咧佢嗰個嘅即係計出嚟個數會細啲咁樣咧？係啦，個數字上細啲啦，咁樣咁就係因為咧，你見到佢有一個acid 咧，acid 嗰個咧係一個 weak acid 嚟嘅。咁點解 acid 佢個 enthalpy change 就會細啲咧？即係個 magnitude 啦。就因為有啲 energy 咧去咗做呢個嘅ionization，咁即係其實比例一條。咁所以究竟有幾多 energy 去咗做呢個嘅 ionization 咧？咁樣咁我哋咧就可以諗翻啦。咁因為experiment 1 to 4兩個都 strong 嘅，咁佢就唔使額外用 energy 去做 ionization 啊嘛，咁就係-57.12咁樣啦。咁但係依度咧，咁佢就得翻-50.10喎。咁啲 energy 去咗邊？就去咗做 ionization 啦。咁所以咧，其實爭咗幾多？就係嗰啲 energy 咯。咁所以就係50.10啦，-50.10啦，俾你嘅。咁跟住爭咗-57.12啦。咁所以咧有嗱應該係個 positive 嘅，因為爭咗嘛，有正7.02個 kilojoule per mole 咧係走咗去做呢個嘅 ionization 嘅。OK，係啦，咁就係咁樣。